in our analysis, in our reality check of the private labs, there are 23 private labs testing for coronavirus in Delhi. What is that we found after calling these private labs? Take a look.
This is not just a one-off case in the national capital, where the COVID crisis is only worsening. From Aam Aadmi to Netas, everyone has been facing trouble to get a COVID test. With questions raised on number of tests in Delhi and the testing centers, India Today did a check to bring you the testing ground reality. There are 40 ICMR approved labs in the national capital, 23 private and 17 government. And in this reality check, India Today covered 50% of them. We just dialed top private labs in New Delhi that have been permitted to conduct COVID-19 tests.
A lot of people are complaining that they have not been able to get a corona test done. So we decided to find out how difficult is it to test in Delhi and what are the requirements if you want to get a coronavirus test.
सर तो आप नेक्स्ट में आके पहले प्रिस्क्रिप्शन लेके 800 की प्रिस्क्रिप्शन होगी आपकी डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट के बाद, फिर 4500 का आपका टेस्ट होगा.
800 प्रिस्क्रिप्शन के लिए और 4500 रुपीस टेस्ट के लिए.
टेस्ट के लिए हाँ जी सर. रिपोर्ट आपकी 24 to 48 आवर्स में आ जाती है.
जी.
बट मॉर्निंग में 7:30 से टोकन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होने स्टार्ट होते हैं.
7:30 से कब तक मैडम?
सर वो मॉर्निंग में ही होता है. ओनली 40 टोकन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता है, उसके बाद बंद हो जाता है.
तो मतलब सुबह सुबह आना पड़ेगा जिससे कि आपको टोकन मिल जाए.
हाँ टोकन मिल जाएगा, सुबह सुबह आना पड़ेगा बस. क्योंकि we are taking only 45 patients in a day.
मैम 45 पेशेंट्स ही क्यों कर रहे हैं मैम? ज्यादा नहीं हो सकते? मतलब ऐसा अगर थोड़ा लेट हुए तो एक बार पेशेंट ऊपर नीचे नहीं हो सकता?
वो बात मैं समझ गई सर, बट एज पर द गवर्नमेंट गाइडलाइंस जो है वो मैंने आपको बताया है.
क्या?
हाँ जी, आपकी प्रिस्क्रिप्शन होनी चाहिए आपके साथ और प्रिस्क्रिप्शन पे सिम्टम मेंशन होने चाहिए आपके.
आप उससे पहले बता सकते हैं चार्जेस कितने हैं इसके?
चार्जेस 4500 है.
जो क्या घर पे आप भेज सकते हैं किसी को सैंपल कलेक्ट करने के लिए?
होम सैंपल कलेक्शन का भी ऑप्शन है सर. होम कलेक्शन के लिए फिर आपको एक नंबर दे दूं, नंबर लिख लीजिए.
जी बताइए.
तो अभी ना हमारा होल्ड पे है, मतलब पॉसिबल कि 3-4 दिन बाद ये खुलेगा, बट अभी मैं कमिट नहीं कर सकता सर आपको.
This package is 4,500 rupees.
4,500, right?
You will carry your government ID proof like one Aadhaar card.
Yes.
Which you have to show at the time of testing or investigation.
Okay.
And anytime you can come. You can come. Initial registration will done.
Okay. And I can come anytime. There is no cap on the number of tests. You are there is no like in a day you are doing 10 tests or 12 tests or 50 tests or something like that.
Like there's only such process, like there is a gap between the corona patients here.
Okay.
Because anytime you can come, you can go for your testing.
Okay.
Okay.
So is there any option for home collection as well with Apollo?
Yes, home collection services we have from, but the service is available from Monday onwards now.
From Monday onwards.
श्योर सर, हम आप बताते हैं. इसकी कॉस्ट है 4500 रुपीज और इसमें हमें डॉक्टर की प्रिस्क्रिप्शन रिक्वायर्ड है. मैं
जी.
डॉक्टर की प्रिस्क्रिप्शन पे हमें टेस्ट का नेम मेंशन होना चाहिए और जो रिपोर्ट होती है उसके लिए भी कहीं विजिट करने की जरूरत नहीं होती.
रिपोर्ट ऑनलाइन एक्सेस कर सकते हैं.
यस, ऑनलाइन आप एक्सेस कर सकते हैं.
क्या कुछ टाइमिंग होगा? मतलब किस समय आएंगे मेरे घर पे वो लोग सैंपल कलेक्ट करने के लिए?
टाइमिंग डिपेंड करता है सर. हम चेक करके कंफर्म कर सकते हैं. चेक कर लेते हैं.
ओके.
टाइमिंग
ओके.
बता देते हैं. We are doing the test for COVID-19 and the booking is happening online on the website.
So I'll have to visit your website and there I would be able to book, right?
Yes, and we are only doing it through drive-through methods. We are doing it.
What is the drive-through method, ma'am?
So the sample will be taken from your car itself.
Ma'am, can you tell me what are the charges for this?
The charges are 4,500.
4,500. And ma'am, is there a timing that I need to come in?
Yeah. The time search will be given to you when the registration is done. सर, अगर आपको मणिपाल हॉस्पिटल के ओपीडी या इमरजेंसी के डॉक्टर ने आपको लिख के दिया कोरोना वायरस का टेस्ट, तो यहाँ पे टेस्ट हो जाएगा। अगर बाहर का कोई प्रिस्क्रिप्शन तो नहीं हो पाएगा। आपको यहाँ पे या तो ओपीडी या इमरजेंसी में दिखाना पड़ेगा, यहाँ के डॉक्टर लिखेंगे तभी टेस्ट आगे प्रोसीड हो पाएगा।
अच्छा, और क्या कॉस्ट है अगर मैं वहाँ पे आके ओपीडी में दिखाऊं, और उसके बाद फिर क्या कॉस्ट?
डॉक्टर के चार्जेस 1000 या 800 रुपीज डिपेंड करता है कौन से डॉक्टर का आप ले रहे हो। अगर इमरजेंसी में आ रहे हो तो 1400 चार्जेस है डॉक्टर का, एंड टेस्ट का अगर आप रेट पूछ रहे हो तो 4500 का है।
Press 1 for COVID-19 test information. Press 2 to get...
We dialed other private labs, but their lines were either busy or there was no response. One of them assured that they will call back, and we are still awaiting a call.
This is a lab called Prognosis Lab, which is based in Dwarka. And here you go.
The number you have dialed is currently busy. Please try later.
There's another number that they have given. Let's try that number.
आप जिस व्यक्ति से संपर्क करना चाहते हैं वो अभी व्यस्त है, कृपया थोड़ी देर बाद कॉल करें।
You tried both their numbers. Both their numbers are busy. I'm gonna try this lab called Lifeline Lab. It's in Green Park. 3676.
Please wait while we connect your call. Please wait while we connect your call. Sorry, no one picked your call. Please check the opening hours and try again.
Okay. This lab is supposed to test for COVID-19, and they have not picked our call, and they have told us, why don't you come back later after checking the opening hours? I don't know what. Very complicated. Rajiv Gandhi Super Speciality Hospital board number, extremely complicated. But the interesting thing here is that they themselves said the tests are limited to certain patients. Private lab, Metropolis Health Care Delhi. Let's just see what they are saying. They are saying nothing because their phone hasn't gone through. I'll call.
Call cannot be completed at this moment. Please try again later. This call cannot be completed at...
They have another number. In our reality check, and specifically of the private testing facilities, we found out of the 12 labs that we called, 6 were not responding. One, in fact, asked us that they are going to call us back. The more important thing and the underlining thing from the labs which were still testing is that the number of tests per day have been significantly reduced. 40 to 50 tests per day is what they are doing. Now, this raises a very significant question. Is there now some problem with the testing capacity or processing of the coronavirus tests in private labs? Or is there some pressure by the government to reduce the number of tests as cases in Delhi climb up steadily? With Dinesh Lal, Ankit Tyagi in New Delhi, India Today. So those were a few private, in fact, labs which in fact we tried to call. So largely out of the labs that we called, few are testing. 4,500 rupees is what they are taking. But the significant part is that there is a cap on the numbers, which in fact they said that they are testing in a day. I just want to very quickly call, in fact, introduce my guest right now. Atishi is spokesperson, senior spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party and also a member of the Delhi Legislative Assembly. We are also being joined by Ameera Shah, MD of the Metropolis Diagnostics, in fact, the systems. And we are also being joined by Harsh Mahajan. He's founder of Mahajan Imaging. Thank you so much for all of you, to join us on the show. It is very important to understand exactly what is happening in terms of testing in the national capital, and that is why we did this reality check. May I just request you to, hold on for 2 more minutes so that we can also tell you it's just not the private labs that we targeted. We also tried a few government labs as well. What is the situation there? Let's very quickly take a look at this, and then we start the discussion.
For weeks now, there has been a controversy surrounding COVID-19 testing in the national capital. After dialing 12 top ICMR-approved private labs.
So we are trying to call Max Lab Saket.
Thank you for calling Max Healthcare.
Let's see what happens here.
Please press 1 for ambulance.
India Today dialed top government testing facilities to see how difficult it is for a common man to get tested for COVID-19.
हेलो जी, मुझे कोरोना वायरस का टेस्ट कराना है, तो मैं जानना चाह रहा था कि मैं कैसे करा सकता हूँ यहाँ पे आके।
इमरजेंसी में आके करवाइए।
इमरजेंसी में आना पड़ेगा मैडम?
हाँ जी।
अच्छा, और क्या मतलब सिम्टम्स अभी नहीं है, लेकिन मेरा एक डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट है, तो मेरा टेस्ट हो जाएगा ना मैडम?
हाँ जी, हो जाएगा।
और मैम कितने बजे से कितने बजे तक कर सकते हैं?
24 आवर्स चलता है वो तो।
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू सो मच। AIIMS says that they are testing 24 hours. You have to go to their emergency, and they said that you will be able to get tested. जी, मुझे ये पता करना था कि मुझे कोरोना वायरस का टेस्ट कराना है सर, तो क्या कर सकता हूँ मैं उसके लिए?
आपको क्या सिम्टम वगैरह है?
जी, अभी मतलब सिम्टम नहीं है, पर मेरे कुलीग है जिन्हें कोरोना वायरस हुआ है, तो उसके लिए मुझे कराना चाह रहा था। वो डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट है मेरा।
आगे दिखा लो आप पहले फीवर क्लिनिक में।
फीवर क्लिनिक में आके?
हाँ जी।
सर, उसके लिए कोई टाइम वाइम होता है क्या?
हाँ, 9 से 4 बजे तक लास्ट टाइम है।
नमस्कार लेडी आदि।
मैडम, मुझे कोरोना वायरस का टेस्ट कराना है, तो आपके यहाँ पे हो सकता है? कैसे हो पाएगा?
हो रहा है सर, हो रहा है।
मैडम कैसे, मतलब क्या वॉक इन है, क्या है प्रोसेस, मुझे बता सकती हैं आप प्लीज?
आना पड़ेगा सर आपको टेस्ट के लिए।
अच्छा मैम, इससे
आ सकते हैं।
कोई टाइम भी है क्या मैम?
मैं आपको दे देती हूँ, जहाँ टेस्ट होते हैं बात कर लीजिएगा सर।
When we dialed the biggest government COVID-19 facility in Delhi, the LNJP hospital, there was no response.
The person...
No response there as well.
The scenario for the Safdarjung Hospital, GTB Hospital and the Rajiv Gandhi Super Speciality Hospital was no different.
जिस नंबर से आप संपर्क करना चाहते हैं वो अभी स्विच ऑफ है। कृपया कुछ समय पश्चात प्रयास करें।
Okay, so no help there from Safdarjung Hospital as well.
The number you're calling is currently switched off. Please try later. जिस नंबर से आप संपर्क करना चाहते हैं वो अभी स्विच ऑफ है। कृपया कुछ समय पश्चात प्रयास करें। The person you're calling is not answering. Please try later.
With no response from most of the government testing facilities, we dialed the COVID helpline number 1075, where we were asked to download the Arogya Setu app.
In our reality check of the government coronavirus testing facilities, 8 of which we called, what we found that most of the board numbers were not responsive. Of the 3 hospitals which did reply, the answer was to come to the government hospital, to the flu clinic, get yourself checked, and only then the test would be done. Now, the problem is that a lot of people are going to the flu clinics of the government hospitals to get their tests done. So, with the rush of the people and hardly any social distancing, people are scared that they could be exposed to the coronavirus while they are trying to get a test done in government hospitals. Even the government COVID helpline was not very helpful. With camera person Dinesh Lal, Ankit Tyagi in New Delhi, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.